Post something red, blue, green, yellow, brown, and pink. Instagram add yours story template in your gallery. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. In this video I will show you how you can do this viral trend right here and also where you can find this add yours template. So keep on watching. So first of all, you will have to go to your Instagram app on your home page, and then from there you will have to go to your search bar and search for Ali and John YTT. Once you get to this profile right here, which is my account, you will have to go to January 2024 at highlights. If you go to my story, then you have to know that the story will expire in 24 hours, so you may not find it there. But you can also check it there, or you will definitely find it at January 2024 at highlights. So click on that. Now tap until you find your desired sticker. There we have it. Now click on the Add Yours button. And now we will have to choose a red photo. So for that, we will have to go to our uploads in our gallery, which is here in the left bottom corner, and choose a photo with something red. I will go with this one. Now you will have to put this photo in the left top corner where it says red. And how you can do that, how you can make the photo smaller or bigger, you will have to zoom in or zoom out with your two fingers on the screen and then place it where you want. Now to add another photo with something blue, you will have to go to stickers from the top of the screen, scroll down, and now click on this plus icon, and it will get you once again to your gallery, and you can choose a photo with something blue. I will go with this photo. Now you will have to follow the same steps by zooming in and zooming out and place the photo where you want. Also, if you click on it, the shape will change. So you can also do that. And after that, to add a photo with something green, you have to follow the same steps. Go to stickers from the top of the screen and click on this icon and choose your photo until you have them all. Choose a green photo, one with yellow, one with brown, and one with pink. So once you did that, you will have to post the story with your friends by clicking on this button right here from the left bottom corner. So guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like it, you can subscribe to our channel, and you can also comment in the comment section down below with your questions, with your thoughts, and I will make sure to answer to them as quickly as possible. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.